Alright folks, check this out. We're gonna replace the sprinkler here. We have an issue here where we have a geyser. So here we go. Check this out. So I dug it up. Basically, we've got ourselves a broken riser right here. So we're gonna pull this out and we are going to throw a new sprinkler on top. And yeah, this is basically, there was no sprinkler here. That's basically what we dug up after seeing the geyser. Alright, so let me tell you a little story about a man named Jed. He had a lot of hair, but never mind. So look at this. This is directly to the pipe, right? Now, good practices are you want to stick that on a little bit of a funny pipe, just in case if, say, somebody, runs over this sprinkler. It's got a little bit of give to it, versus if this was right on this, if this was right on that PVC and a mower came over, it'd smash it down and you could break that fitting off. Anyways, this fitting, not this fitting. This is for the funny pipe. So basically, we're gonna clear off some of that dirt there. Give a little spittle action onto there, and then basically wiggle that thing into place and bury our sprinkler, just like that. So that's how you fix whatever that was. Alright, so we fixed the sprinkler. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna kick it on, make sure our coverage is good, because I don't know what sprinkler used to be on there. I know it was a pop-up, but yeah, there's actually a rotor right next to it. That's the rotor that was about ready to kick on. Station number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will come on here just a second, which is ironic because they've only got 1, 2, 3, and then this stuff right here is not being watered. So now you can see here, so basically we're going to take off, there was some little bit of dirt in the line, so we're going to take that off and I'll show you what happens.
Why is it not working?
Go ahead and kick it off. It's clogged. You ready for this? Watch. Dirt. See that dirt? Oh yeah. Dirty water. Alright, so now we're going to throw this nozzle back on. Alright. Time for round 2. By the way, check out the new air conditioner units. These guys are good landlords, spend a little bit of money getting that all taken care of. Look at that. There we go. See that? Now I'm gonna open that up just a little bit more. Do a full circle. It's not quite hitting the building. There we go. Problem solved. It still isn't watering over there by that sign, but overall we fixed it.